I'm inviting you for my dad's birthday. It's on 27th of this month. So you're highly invited. Everything that is going to happen there is going to be suspicious. So you guys should come at also Akajiófòr Igbo Palace. It's going to be happening there live and direct. So my dad is going to add a new age. You can see him fresh and young. Hey, this man not old though. If you should forget this young face. So if we should come, I'm inviting you all. I'm expecting you. Come. Yes, you that is watching this video. We are expecting you. And bring your gifts. We are accepting it. Don't come empty-handed though. Yes. So see you on 27th. 27th, don't forget, 27th of April.
12 days to go.
Yes, we just have only 12 days left, so you guys should just make it, please. Thank you very much. I love you all. Mwah.